All right, so now let's talk about the tropical air masses. So we just mentioned all of the polar air masses, and also let's now focus on the tropical air masses. So tropical meaning they are warm um, with the air temperature. So in this, we'll draw some red letters. So lowercase letters are going to represent where the air mass originates. The uppercase letters represent the temperature of that air mass. So just like maritime polar, down here in the South Pacific, we have maritime tropical. Um, Also in the South Atlantic, we have maritime tropical. And in Central America, we have continental tropical. And lastly, we have a maritime tropical air mass that forms in the Gulf of Mexico. So just like the polar and Arctic air masses, maritime tropical is going to be represented or characterized by um, moist, but this time warm air. So warm and moist. And I just copy and paste this. Not sure if I can. Still learning how to use this. Let me go back to my clicker. Control C, Control V. There we go. The maritime tropical warm and moist. And same thing here in the Gulf of Mexico. Maritime tropical warm and moist. Make these red too, so you can see better. Does that help? All right, and then for our continental tropical, that is going to be represented by, similar to continental Arctic, it's going to be dry but warm. So there we go. All right, so I'm gonna get fancy here and maybe not. Increase my spray radius. So there's cold air masses, hence the blue. These will sink down towards North America, and then we have our warm air masses, which are going to come up from the equator towards North America. And when these air masses converge or collide, we get weather. So that's why we need to understand air masses, so we can begin to understand why we have different weather patterns here in North America. All right, next video we'll talk about weather fronts.